I don't know how it stepped off. But like I said, February 2020. We got a nice snowstorm in Watertown, Wisconsin. February 2020. Now on the 15th. So I figured I'd get a little video. If I get time, I'll try to put it on YouTube. Down in Tokyo, taking videos with the snow in Watertown, Wisconsin. Cold out here. This is 2020. This is the first one also. February 2020. This is taking pictures from inside our house in Watertown, Wisconsin. Hope they show up. I don't know if they show up or not. There's the backyard. Now we're going to the front yard. This is the front yard. Going outside. February 15, 2020, the year 2020. Watertown, Wisconsin. Yeah, it's been snowing all morning. So I decided to take some film from inside the house. Maybe I'll get a chance to show up this morning. Oh, it's only February 9th, I heard. Okay. Yeah, this is Don Chuckback taking this video. Gotta have something to remember. Okay, how do I shut this thing off?